Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to check the linked debit card on HDFC bank account online. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. Here in the Savings Account tab, click on your account balance. You will be landed to Account Summary page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. In the Linked Debit Card section, click on the drop-down arrow. You can check the type of debit card linked to your account and its spending limit. This is how you can check the linked debit card on your HDFC Bank account online. Thank you for watching.